Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with a loaded paper plate or loaded clipboard swap. This one is the first one of this swap. I do have another swap going on that's a mini album swap. So go watch all those videos because they are fun to watch and it's fun seeing what everybody created. And this one is from Sheryl. She was also in the mini album swap as well. And we are going to get into it. I know that she's on Instagram and I think she's on Facebook. I'm not going to put her Facebook down below, but I'll put her Instagram down below so you can give her some crafty love. And let's get into it. This little thing has my name on it. It says, "This is a small gift for you for hosting an amazing swap. Thanks, Sheryl." This is like really pretty. There's sequins everywhere. Everywhere. More and more sequins. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh, it's a little banner. I was like, look. All right. I want to get it like twisted. Oh, it's twisted somehow. Somehow, some way, something goes somewhere. Oh, man. Okay. I think I got it. Look how cute this little banner is. It's all vintage Halloween. What dye is this? It's just like, I don't know if I've ever seen this dye. But how cute. She's got some vintage Halloween ephemera. I love this like angel hair stuff. I have orange and she's glittered up some spiders. And then this one, look at this butterfly. That's really cool looking. Got a rosette, some bats, some lace, all kinds of fun stuff. And then this one's got a cat. I love me some cats. This flower is really, really pretty. And this little pig, cute. And then it's got little beads. So we have a spider web, a bat, and a spider web. This is really cute. Thank you, Sheryl. I appreciate that. And here's our paper plate, and she's got goodies. So she's got this activity book. These are always fun. I know that, you know, we are adults, but they're fun to have. Even like if you have grandkids, you can use them, but they always have really cute stickers in here, and you can use the stickers in your swaps or a sticker book or anything else. But look at these fun stickers. They're so cute. I love the little frog. These jars, it's kind of giving me slight doodlebug vibes. I love the striped pumpkins and little witch. So these are fun. So you got some journaling or like journal sticker pages. You got some coloring pages and you have like the activity boards that you can do. But I love having these in my stash. And then she's got this little goodie bag for you. It's got some scrubs, all kinds of self-care. So cute. It says, "Happy Halloween. I was going batty putting this together for you. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed making it for you." So fun. And then she's got her information on here. And here is her pocket. It's a ghost plate pocket and it is all loaded up. Like, I don't even know where to begin. All right, we have this right here. Little shaker pennant, and she's got it on a dowel. She's wrapped some ribbon around it. I like these little flowers. These are like little plastic flowers with little jemmies on the inside. Cute. I think this is some of the Luna mix in here, possibly, because I see the moons and the cats. Got some other. Oh, look at these little mini picks. This is really cute. Oh, I really like the little mini rosette pick. She's got lots of stickers in here. She's got all kinds of stuff. Oh, look at it. She must like making little wands. Cute. Look at this little pom-pom with the cat on the inside. And then, so she's got a little ghosty. I love these. These are from Dollar General, but you can do so many things with it. You can tie it onto a package. You can make a tag. Endless possibilities. So you have a ghost and a pumpkin. There's lots. Oh, she's made. Oh, these are Oh, she's printed this out and put a hollow sticker paper on top of it. I don't think it's sticker. I don't want to peel it. I think it's just meant to be hollow ephemera. She's got so much stuff in here. I just don't want to bend anything. She's got, look at these little cat, little, I don't know what they're, I mean, they're kind of like a banner piece, but you could put this on like a bag topper or whatever, but she's glittered up some of the eyes and the ears and the noses. I like how she's added like the green, so it has green eyes and yellow eyes. These would be really cute to put just like as a layering piece. I really like those. Those are cute. And then, look at, okay. We have this piece right here. This will be fun to use in so many different things. You can use in October Daily. You can trim it up and put it on like a card base, mem decks. So many possibilities. There's another pick. Ooh, look at this one. She's used like some bling. She's got little dangles on here. There's the moon. She has this one. This is Boo. Oh, it's got spider web on it too. I think it's supposed to have the spider web on here. And then ooh, look at this little dangle bit. Cute. And she's got a beaded pen that's green and yellow and black. This is fun. She's got these little clips that she's made, these little bow clips. So she's got the bow and this, she's got some eyelash trim on it, and she's just got it pinned right to the plate, which is cute. There's another little pin. Oh, this one got a little bent. It's okay. Nail, you know. Then we have all kinds of other little bits that she's got printed off for you. Let's see here. Oh, this is clipped on here. So we have this bow, but she's got this little dangle bit. Look at this little bat. This little silicone bead, like keychain dangle. The little tassel at the bottom. I love that. All right. I'm going to have to dig in now. Pull some more stuff out. Oh, this guy is holding this little bit. Oh, look at this bookmark that she's made. I know not everybody likes clowns, but I like clowns. And then I don't want to, oh, so this is how her plate is tied. We don't want to untie that. We want to keep that tied so it doesn't come undone. We don't want that. Forgive me. There we go. And then, all right, let's just, we're going to pull some stuff out. Oops. Hopefully that didn't crack. I want to be able to see everything, and then I will put it all back in here nice and neatly. Okay. She's got little ghosties in here. I'm going to keep those in there. Look how cute that plate is. She's got some sticker bits. These had come off, so I restuck them on there. I'm hoping that's the area they were stuck. But she's got, look at this little Mummy mini pizzas. This is cute, but this would be cute to add to a journal. It's just a recipe card, but how cute is that? I would definitely be like journaling with that. More stickers. We have this little die cut. We have a little bead mix. We have, this is gorgeous. I love that sticker. She's got, look at these little bow slash ruffles slash rosette. So it's a little paper ruffle. She's got a rosette on here and then a bow as well. It's a little ribbon bow that she's made. Cute. And then we have a couple little mini rosettes. Oh, here is her little girl. I think this, you'll have to tell me if this is your phone number on there. If it is, I would take it off or put something over it so it doesn't accidentally get shown. But she is Beanie Creations, a beanie creation. See, yes, here is her Instagram. That is your phone number, girl. What are you doing? No, I think it is. All right. Then she's got some more die cuts and more stickers. So I'm gonna package this all back up. But make sure you give her some crafty love. I'm loving these little bits. These are really cute. Such a cute swap. A great first start to the loaded paper plates or a loaded clipboard. You could do either one. And we will see you guys in the next reveal. Bye, guys.